Septimius Severus, Marcus Aurelius, Marcus, Emperor Hadrian, Drusus Minor, Julius Caesar, Cleopatra, a bearded man, a priest, a man wearing a toga, a noblewoman, Emperor Caracalla, a nobleman, Sappho and Arena, Laocoon, philosopher or barbarian, Aristotle, Venus, Silenus and Maenad, Venus, Bacchus, young satyr, Athena Minerva, Aesculapius, god of medicine, Venus, Jupiter or Bacchus, metamorphosis of Jupiter, Ganymede or Paris, Mercury, god of commerce